Welcome to 7 Energy's holistic channel, where we share tips and tricks for a healthy and happy life. Today's topic is self-care, and we will be sharing some essential self-care tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Hydration is essential for good health, so make sure you drink enough water throughout the day. Keep a bottle of water with you at all times, and set a goal to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Spending time in nature is a great way to reduce stress and improve your mental well-being. Take a walk in the park or go for a hike in the mountains, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Take some time for yourself to relax and unwind. A warm bubble bath with some essential oils or bath salts can help you release stress and tension from your body and mind. Meditation is a powerful tool to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day, and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with the practice. Eating healthy is important for your physical and mental well-being. Make sure to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. Stretching can help you improve your flexibility and reduce muscle tension. Take a few minutes each day to stretch your muscles, especially if you have a sedentary lifestyle. That's it for today's self-care tips. Remember to take care of yourself and prioritize your well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.